Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shri Your Taste Buddy. Today let's prepare carrot kokum soup. This is a unique variety of carrot soup. Kokum leaf is also known as amsol. This helps in digestion and also helps to reduce your acidity problem. So let's quickly start. For this we need 2 medium size peeled and chopped carrot, 5 to 6 kokum or amsol leaves. This is easily available in supermarket. And we need dry spices like 2 bay leaves, ½ inch cinnamon or dalchini sticks, 6 to 8 pepper, 4 cloves or lavang, 1/4 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. First, to a bowl of water, add 5 to 6 kokum leaves or amsol leaves. Squeeze it nicely in the water and soak it for about half an hour. After half an hour, you have to drain this soaked amsol leaves water. Use a strainer to drain. Squeeze the kokum so that you get all the nutrients from the leaves. Keep this kokum water aside. In a pressure cooker, add 2 bay leaves, 6 to 8 pepper kernels, 2 ½ inch dalchini or cinnamon sticks, 4 cloves or lavang, and then add chopped carrots, 2 medium size. Add 2 cups of water and cook this for about 3 to 4 whistles. After 3 to 4 whistles, our carrots are nicely cooked. Now let's strain them. Keep this carrot stalk aside. This stalk is used later while preparing soup. Remove the bay leaf from the drained mixture. Then add the boiled carrot and the spices to the mixer grinder and mix it to form a smooth paste. Heat a pan on low flame with 1/4 teaspoon butter. Then add the smooth paste of carrot and spices mixture to the pan. Add 1/4 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and give it a nice mix. Heat the mixture on the pan for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then, after it starts boiling, add the carrot stalk to the mixer grinder and then add the kokum water or amsol water which we had prepared earlier. Give it a nice mix and add the water to the pan. Keep mixing until the carrot paste mixes with the water and we get a nice soup consistency. Add ½ teaspoon jeera powder. Add salt as per taste. A little pepper powder. Remember, we have added pepper while cooking carrots. Give it a nice mix and allow the carrot kokum soup to boil for about 5 to 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, you can add freshly chopped coriander, and this is purely optional. You might have seen we have not used corn flour and we have made a soup without any thickener. Our carrot kokum soup is ready. This is a unique different variety of carrot soup with carrot sweetness and kokum tanginess, and this gives it a delicious flavor with a lovely sweet and tangy combination. Try this out and share your experience. Thank you for watching my channel. Check and subscribe my channel for more recipes.